What's going on, everyone? I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic. This is again a review of a product that has been requested many times previously, but recently I've been getting some requests also. So I thought I'd go for it. Thanks for AK Bharadwaj for telling me that I should do it because I've been comparing it with many other products. So why not just try it out? I tried it by getting it from my friends, on loan, but I never really bought one. And the other thing is that people have been asking on Nutrabay. So I thought let's just do two things together: buy a thing from Nutrabay and buy Ultimate Nutrition Prostar and see how good the authenticity is. Obviously, I mean, I've been seeing these messages and people are suggesting that Nutrabay is original. They're selling good stuff, but it's okay. I never bought it from them. So this is the case. And as you can see, if I upload this video on YouTube and on my Facebook page, I'm going to get some discount, which is a cool thing to have. And just to show you, this is from Nutrabay. Yes, this is from Nutrabay. And the cost it has costed me is $3,859. This is a 5.28 pound chocolate cream of Ultimate Nutrition 100% Prostar Whey protein, one of the most selling protein on the face of this planet. It's coming from Ultimate Nutrition. It's a really old company, I think about 40 years old. It's doing a great job, and all these products are fantastic. So I tried their Ice Sensation previously. Hopefully this one would be good as well. Alright, let's open this box. And this is just an unboxing video, by the way. This is not a review video. The review video will follow because I got to do many things for a review video. That's why. So this is the traces from a previous video, don't worry. And if you're buying from Nutrabay, then it comes packaged like this. There's a bubble wrap that has the stuff inside. Let's bring it out. That's all you got. Let's keep the box outside. So you're getting a few things in the box along with this. You're getting best wishes from Nutrabay team on your fitness journey and blah blah blah. I think there's their card or something. Keep it aside. Good thing. And then you've got, alright, this is cool stuff. So what you got is a bill from Nutrabay that talks about the product that you're buying, prices, discounts and everything, and then a seal from them. Alright, this is a cool stuff. I've seen a few companies do that. When you go to an authorized mobile phone services or somewhere, like, they put their own stamp like this on the bill. That's a good thing. That's one extra step. So that's the kind of bill you're gonna get, and someone signed it, I guess. So that's cool. Right, keep this inside also. And here you go, the actual box, or actual Ultimate Nutrition Prostar. Actually, I myself is quite a bit excited to find out about this particular thing, because I've taken it like what, 5-6 scoops previously, not an entire tub or something. So 5.28 pounds, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get I can use it in a really proper fashion to tell you how good it works, but I think that's not required. This product has been used by way much more capable athletes than me. I'm not even an athlete. I'm just a common man who practices good lifestyle. This has been tested by many people and it works, so I don't think we're gonna test that. Now, a few things. I've done my research and I thought I'd share this info on how to identify fake or genuine. So, of course, you're gonna look at the hologram at the importer seal. In this case, it's Bright Commodities. All right. So, in Nutrabay, if you go, you're gonna see they got this certificates of the importers for different products. So, for Ultimate Nutrition, they got Bright and Car and all those certificates. Those are written on the page. There's a tab. You can go and check that. That's one cool thing. And here's what you got. The other thing, and actually for this I had to go to a few of the local stores. And I'm not going to say where I went because I don't want people to have bad reputation in Bangalore itself. I had to go to a few local stores There are different type of stores. The big ones that sell GNC and stuff like that, they got exactly same sort of tub, right? Exactly same thing. And there are some few smaller stores, but I can't talk the name about. Now, the biggest problem that you're gonna see if you see the original one, and I can tell this is original, is this. Some of those use a wrong container. I mean, they probably manufactured the container or something like that. Because see, this thing is so wobbly, it's transparent to an extent, and maybe the color changes from a product to product, but overall, you would see this is a high quality material, whereas if you see some of those fake things in the market, they'd be really low quality, cheap plastic. Looks blue, some cases transparent, but it's cheap. You can understand that just by looking at it. And a few other things to go for is this hologram that you see in the bottom. It's difficult to fabricate this. If you used one and you ripped it off, it's very difficult for people to actually go and make this thing, because making it and getting it done, that itself requires cost. So the fake people, the people who want to make fake protein, they want to go with least cost. They probably make things in their garage or in their home, stuff like that. They can't afford to do all these things. Alright, that's the second thing. Now, what are the other things that I gotta talk about? Now, the biggest bummer, and a lot of people point out, I would recommend stay away from that, is this barcode. Is the easiest way to copy, alright? I can take a picture and put the exact same thing in here, and you're gonna find the exact same info. Barcode is full crap. The intention of barcode is not authenticity, it's identification. So if you put this barcode, it's gonna say this is the product. It's not gonna say it's authentic or not, alright? So forget about that. Now, so we talked about this hologram. We talked about this hologram in here. We talked about the quality of the container. The other thing you gotta look at for a lot of products that get fake, and this one is faked so much, at least reportedly, is this outer seal. Have you bought any, when you did a journey in India on train, you'd see a lot of this little kids, they come and sell you Bisleri water, Kinley, those sort of big brands, but they sell it to you and you'd immediately see those are fake. How? Because they seal those things on their own. They either use sellotape, or they have a small manufacturing place where they just put the sealing. So this sealing won't be this clean and clear. You know, there will be cramps and chaps and everything all around. That's one thing to notice. And that's similar to this one. This one has an outer seal. Those have an outer seal. So you gotta watch out that. Those are small things. The other thing is that the original. So there are two ways to do this, right? One, if you don't throw away, I mean, destroy this package, then someone can pick it up and put the fake material inside. That's a difference. So they're gonna get the exact same bottle. But that's not exactly what happens. They manufacture the new stuff in most of the cases. So in that case, this, you know, the original one has this beaded top lid. You know, there's this hand bead, you see. A lot of these fake ones, that's what I also saw in this shop, is that the one they have that doesn't have that beaded lid. So I guess that's one thing. If anyone thinks that what I'm saying is not right and they have some other clue, please let me know. Alright, let's open it up. Some of those cases, you know, this importer seal, which is in here, could be in here. I think for car, it's in here, which is fine. So I'm going to show you, yeah. So I have the same company. I have this Ice Sensation here. It's a car. It's imported by car. It's up on top. Bright commodities. It's up here on this side. So basically same stuff. No worries. It just has to be there. Alright, so up, outer seal gone. And I'm gonna send the link to this video to Nutrabay to get some discounts, of course. And the other thing, again, you're gonna watch is this set of holes. So when you open this pouch, you're gonna see one seal inside this outer cap, and one actual seal. And this is more of a paper-like seal with the inside being some sort of silver foil or something like that. But it's gonna have this 5 pentagonal, you know, pattern of points or holes. Why is that so? That's there so that this thing, because of different pressure and so, doesn't get punctured. You see, if I put pressure on side, what happens? The inside gets the air pressure on the inside forces against this wall, right? It's doing that. Do you see that? But because of the small holes, it's not gonna puncture. So if you put your finger in here, you'll see the air coming out, and so you could say, what about contamination? That won't happen because they're having this thing which would help against contamination. And the particular reason for putting this extra seal up here on top of this is that when you put these two together until you've used it, it's sealed. And basically, when you got rid of this seal that you got here, that works as a vacuum or a air sealer or something like that. So you gotta watch out for that also. Let's puncture it. This product is not just less costly, it's an outstanding product. It comes with whey concentrate, isolate, peptides. It's a fantastic product. So, alright. Here are the dots that I talked about. Let's keep it aside. Alright, it's a really fine powder. It's let's talk a bit about the texture. So this is chocolate cream, and it smells chocolate, not too overpowering, but it's chocolate for sure. Where the hell is the scoop? And look for the scoop also. In some cases, some dumb fake stars are gonna not put the scoop. Cheapos. So that's another identification. This is the scoop, alright, goes in. So the texture would be, it's a wee bit different. So the whey protein used in Iso Sensation is definitely different, because if I check the texture of this thing, then that's way too flaky. You know, this is too flaky, too granular. This one is much more smoother, but it's also sand-like. So I'd say, how do I compare? So let's say real whey or muscle whey from Nutrabay, or what else can I compare? Maybe MyFitFuel whey proteins. These things, they have a granularity, and I talk about it sand-like. This is way thinner than that, but it's not really thin. I mean, you know, there are a few proteins I've reviewed which are like powder-like. This is not like that. It's sand-like, but it's a finer sand. So I'm trying to get you as close to the experience as I can, alright? That's fine. Now, this is not a review, so I'm not going to do the mixability test. I'm just going to taste it. That's pretty cool. Tastes pretty cool. I think I'm going to mix that in the water. It's going to taste well. It's sweet. I can feel the sweetness. We're almost done, but coming to the last part of how to find the authenticity, you know, what you got to do is take a picture of a few things. I've done this before. You got to take a picture of this back panel, which is the batch number and expiry date. That's what's written in here. And a manufacturer and expiry date is 7/18 to 7/21. That's the range. And then 179, 80, 7175. This whole thing, you take a screenshot of this, and also you can take a screenshot of this thing, and this whole package, the whole box. You got to do it this way, and you got to send it to Ultimate Nutrition actual company. All right, they got a cell where you can send a mail to them. Send these pictures and tell them what do you think, and they're gonna tell you that it's right or wrong. Don't need to send the barcode. That's full crap. If they want it, just go for it. But barcode is the crappiest way to find out if it's original or fake. As I said, barcode has a different reason for being there. It's not authenticity, of course. All right. So fine, that was an unboxing of Ultimate Nutrition Prostar 100% whey protein. Fantastic product. I'm not going to go through the label right now because you know what it is. We'll do a review and we're going to talk about that. But I'm really hopeful for this product. All right. Have an awesome life, folks. And thanks a lot for your time for watching this video. Ciao.